although we will no longer have a statewide mask mandate. We expect people to be smart, follow public health guidance, and do what works. And today we are releasing strong protocols for schools as they plan for the year ahead. Local school districts should continue to protect students and staff by requiring masks and testing as outlined in the guidance that Dr. Mandy Cohen will be explaining in a minute. The most important work our state will do next month is getting all of our children back into classrooms safely for in-person learning. That's the best way for them to learn. And we want their school days to be as close to normal as possible, especially after the year of disruption they just had. But many students can't get their shots because children under 12 can't be vaccinated yet. We all need to work together to keep our younger children in the classroom and safe. One way to protect them is to get vaccinated yourself. If you're eligible and you get your first shot today, you can be fully protected by the start of the school year and less likely to infect your child. We also know from extensive research that the spread of COVID-19 in schools last year was low because students and staff wore masks. The guidance in the toolkit strongly states that schools should require masks indoors for everyone, students and teachers, in kindergarten through 8th grade. It also directs schools to ensure unvaccinated high school students and teachers wear masks indoors. Studies have shown that masks can slow the spread of this virus among those who are unvaccinated. That hasn't changed. We know masks work. The health and safety and ability of our students to learn in person depends on school leaders following this guidance. Unfortunately, we've seen our statewide numbers on cases and hospitalizations on the rise over the last 3 weeks. This pandemic is not behind us yet. We will continue listening to experts as we share health recommendations and the tools that people need to stay safe. And if the pandemic worsens and additional action is necessary, we'll take it. The best way to stop this disease from spreading and keeping our numbers down is to get more people vaccinated. And we have made so much progress against this virus, and now is not the time to ignore it. Even if you have been vaccinated, take it upon yourself to encourage others to get a shot. I'm confident that we can clear whatever hurdles remain and emerge from this pandemic stronger than before. Now I'd like to ask Dr. Mandy Cohen, our Secretary of the Department of Health and Human Services, to provide more information about the public health direction being given to our schools. Dr.